Hello ATF partners, my name is Verbo Jean-Julien, the founder and executive director of CEI School. We are a school located outside of Jacmel, Haiti, in a mountain village called La Montagne. We educate 196 students. Created in 2008 and opened in 2009 with 5 students, CEI became the only school in our village that educates children from kindergarten to 9th grade. We are grateful to serve children, their family, and our community. We know education changes lives. It's more than ever, Haiti needs to educate its individual citizens. We believe every child deserves a chance to learn and a chance to dream. At CEI, with the ongoing HTF support, Hoops for Haiti participation, we are making that chance a reality by making school accessible for all children and their family who are living with less than $3 a day. Last year, Hoop for Haiti helped us successfully build 3 classrooms to educate over 90 additional students. We want to thank you for your generosity and your commitment to CEI. We present you our gratitude. We are not done yet because success is not final. It is the courage to continue that counts. We need to continue building upon success. Now, it is important to bring those classrooms to life. The 3 classroom build need furniture, electricity, technology, and teachers. Yes, with Hoop for Haiti, we can do it again. Yes, with Hoop for Haiti, we can do it again. Together, we are creating a bright future for our students, families, and their community. With your support, CEI will be able to furnish the classrooms, install solar panels to make sure CEI has electricity every school day, hire a new teacher for our students and give them access to the modern technology. We need your help. We need your help to continue. We need your support to reinforce ATF action and create the intergenerational change. We need your support. Let's go. Hoop for Haiti. You can do it again. Thank you for your support, your generosity, your continuous participation, and your partnership. Merci, en pile, en pile.